is Chaitanya. I welcome you all to Chaitu's Kitchen. Today I am going to teach you how to make avocado sandwich. It's very quick and easy for your breakfast. These are the ingredients required for avocado sandwich. I have one avocado which is ripe one. Generally the brown ones, and if you touch them they should be soft. That helps you say the avocado is ripe. Okay. And I'm making use of a grain loaf with flax seeds. This is the bread. Then coming to the ingredients of the sandwich, this will be I have a half cut capsicum, garlic, half tablespoon of chili paste, half onion, half tomato and half a slice of lemon. I'm making use of 2 boiled eggs cut into small pieces. It's purely optional. If you don't prefer to have egg, or if you only prefer to have egg white, it's up to you. And I'm making use of sea salt, black salt, mixed herbs, black pepper powder, jeera powder and Amul butter. So here I have scooped out the avocado into a bowl. Let me just smash it before I add in all the other ingredients. See, if you take a ripe avocado, it will be easily smashed like this. That tells you whether your avocado is ripe. It's always important to use a ripe avocado, which gives you the best taste. Okay. Now I am adding in all the ingredients into it. First goes the onion in. The green chili paste, garlic, capsicum, tomato. Let me give it a mix. This is a fast and a healthy dish. Mostly you can make it in a hurry when you are rushing to the office in the morning. Generally this is my breakfast to my husband and me on most days of the week. It's also healthy and quick. Okay. Now let me add some pepper powder. Depending upon your taste, you can add some jeera powder. I am just adding half a tablespoon approximately. Black salt. You can also add in the chaat masala if you want to have that chatpata flavor in your sandwich, but then today I don't want to use it, so I am just adding few mixed herbs just for that oregano, that flavor. Then I'll give it a mix. As I already told you, egg is purely optional, but it adds in more taste and health into my sandwich, so I am using 2 eggs here. I am also using the yellow. If you don't prefer to, you can really avoid it. It's up to you. Okay. Then the main ingredient, salt. Salt goes in. Mix it well. Then let me add in the lime. Lime juice gives you more taste and flavor to the sandwich. It adds on more flavor. Okay, before this let me switch on the Philips sandwich toaster. It has to get heated up for few minutes before I put in my sandwich. If you don't have a toaster, you can also do the sandwich on the pan, the normal pan. You can grill them over it. Okay, so my filling is ready. These are the bread which I have already applied butter on one side. So the side that I have applied butter goes down. So let me turn on to the other side. I just put in the stuffing over it. Come, let's see if it is done. The sandwich. Wow, looks beautiful, right? Okay, let me switch off the toaster. Take out the sandwich. Looks beautiful, right? You can run, take it in your hand and run to your office if you don't have time to have. You can use any sort of bread. Basically, I just made use of the grade loaf. Looks beautiful, right? Let me cut it and leave your comments and request you to subscribe to my channel to know more new dishes and easy ones. Thank you.